If you're a business owner and you're trying to achieve your goals and you're having trouble tracking those goals and maybe taking the right actions to make sure those goals get achieved, I'm going to be going over just a couple of tips right now that's going to help you, not just write down your goals, but have the right sub goals within them to not overwhelm yourself and to be able to implement and break those goals even faster. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new. We're posting content every single day. If you're an entrepreneur, business owner, Shopify store owner, I don't care what you're doing in the business world, this is going to be the channel for you about ads, funnels, scaling your business, lead gen, sales, all that fun stuff to help you make more money in 2022. So make sure you subscribe if you're new. I appreciate it. So let's get right into today's video. So you have this new goal that you want to hit. Let's say, you want to make 25K a month, right? The easiest way for you to reach 25K a month is take what made you 5 and duplicate it 5 times. And there should be 5 subtasks involved in that, because odds are there's the 5 things in your business that make you that $5,000 a month. So take those 5 things and just duplicate them another time, and it's going to be easy for you to go to 10 to 25K a month. Now, people don't think of it like this because they think it's like this complicated thing where they got to maybe charge more, whatever the case may be. You don't have enough of a sample size to charge more. Is it about running more traffic and getting more attention? Of course it is. But there's also other organic ways that you can make X amount of money very, very quickly. And, I do the referral system. I'll run more ads. I get my current clients to buy more for me, which is another video that's going to be going up on the channel, is how I took a client from $1,500 a month to $3,500 a month just because I sold them on email marketing when we already brought them results. And I upsold them at a higher price point. It's very easy to sell people when you're giving them value up front or they're already excited and they're a buyer. That's why upsells, downsells, cross-sells work so well. But as far as achieving your goals, you have to have accountability in those goals. So for example, right, if I'm, running an e-com store and I'm making I'm making 10K a month and I'm running Facebook ads right now and it's working for me, or I'm running a service-based business, I'm a coach consultant as well, I'm wrapping all of us into this and we're making 10K a month and we're running Facebook ads, or we're doing organic, right? We have some type of VA running around doing cold outreach, or we have paid inbound leads coming through. And I'm spending $100 a day to make 10 grand a month. That's $3,000 to make 10,000. What's my first goal? Spend $200 a day in ads. That's the first thing. Second goal is hire an extra outbound VA closer. Hire somebody who can do more chat closing. Okay, that's the second goal. The third goal is I need to hire somebody to fulfill those people. So I need to go pay somebody right now who can fulfill. Fourth piece is maybe I need more traffic sources. Maybe I need Google, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat. Go buy a course. Go get a coach who can help you. Go find an agency who's very reputable in those exact niches who can help you scale. Number 4 would be, hey, if I'm scaling right now, what's the other thing that I need in order to scale? I need software. So you need to buy softwares. What softwares do I need? Okay, what automations do I have to build? What things do I have to delegate to make sure that if I make twice as much money, that I'm not doing twice as much work? That's what you need to put in place. And the other piece of this is, and it's not just about making more money with your goals, it's about separating them into subtasks, and each of them requires you to spend money. Because if you just have this goal of making 25K a month, and there's no goals that are making you accountable, and the reason why people are not accountable is because they don't spend money. They get comfortable, they get complacent making 10K a month when you should be making more. It's not that hard to make 10 grand a month on the internet, first of all. But if you're in that place where your goals are not broken up into subtasks, you're going to overwhelm yourself. You're going to run into a wall. You're not going to get the results that you want and the productivity that you need in order to make more money. Okay. And this also boils down to the spending of the money. You're making 10K a month. You can afford to spend money on courses and stuff. You can afford to hire people. You can afford to get softwares. The reason why we don't scale is because we're not buying shit that forces us to scale. There's no reason to make more money when we're not spending more. The biggest thing I'll always live by is if you want to make more money, you got to pay to play. It's the name of the game. Your margins will go down as you make more money. Whoever told you that you're going to keep the same margins is a lunatic. My margins when I was making 10 to 30K a month were 85 to 90% because I was doing all the fulfillment. There was no one to pay, no softwares to buy. But if I wanted to scale, I got to get ClickFunnels, I got to get Zapier, I got to get fucking 4 account managers, I got to get a media buyer, I got to get a funnel builder, I got to get a copywriter, got to get a tech and dev, got to get an account manager, got to get a sales rep. Got to get all these different things, which require money. As soon as I wanted to hike to 50K a month, my payroll was at 10 grand a month automatically. because I had to put those funds up to get those people to help me build systems and automate and delegate, so that the 20% of things that I was now doing would make 80% of the results that I wanted to achieve. So, and that's the 80-20 rule. I've talked about that in a couple of videos. And that's very, very important to understand, is that the reason why you can't set and achieve goals right now if you're struggling is because you're overwhelming yourself with this number instead of just breaking it down into subsets. And it's going to help you achieve them a lot faster. That's why in my agency, you know, we have our task management. Every single task that we have has subtasks to break it up into quicker and easier ones to basically minimize the stress and anxiety of having this big goal of getting this thing done. It helps you achieve things at a faster result, and the completion percentages are a lot damn higher. So I hope this helped you, help you set and achieve your goals in a more, you know, structured manner, you know, decrease overwhelmingness and decrease that anxiety so you can start moving the needle in your business more, working less, working smarter, not harder. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment any questions you have down below or any videos you want me to make in the future, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.